Here's a piece of Boulder Opal pre-formed, a little pendant type shape, rules in millimetres, materials wetted. The white that you're seeing there is a reflection of the lights. Quite nice vibrant colours down through the middle there. Personally, it needs to be shaped down a fair bit yet. It's on hard material, so it should polish up reasonably well. You can see here how the boulder's set. The thumbs are the bottom of the boulder and it's filled up with water. It hasn't filled completely the void, so there's these hollows. Alright, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers!